So hello guys, in this video I will show you how much does Wix cost to build a website. So for that guys, you'll need to open your Wix website on your computer, and after that you guys can see that you guys can create a Wix website on the Wix platform just for absolutely free. But there is a catch, and that is you guys can just use some of the features of the Wix website. So for fully fledgedly using the Wix website, you guys will need to upgrade your account by just selecting on this upgrade option right here on the top self section. So after selecting on that button, you guys will come here on this page, and now here you guys can see these upgraded account options, which is Business VIP, Business Unlimited, Business Basics. These all of three are coming with different prices per month. The Business VIP is 500 rupees per month, the Business Unlimited is 300 rupees per month, and the Business Basic is 225 rupees per month. So that's how much does a Wix website cost if you want to use fully and fledgedly features and options. So that's how you guys can see that a Wix website, how much does it cost. So that's it for this video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.